Hey, what is up, guys? This is Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com on this Tuesday, the 14th day of August, 2018. Looking at a market that is coming down a little bit on the short term, but definitely intermediate term and long term bullish in an impressive manner. Nevertheless, we do officially remain neutral as our bias, our OMT bias, is still neutral. We went to neutrality at 2792.25 right here on the, let's see, what day was that? Oh, we don't have the date. So it was the 10th of July. So we've been pretty much neutral since around 2800. The market's currently at 2833. We've gone up to about 2850 on the S&Ps, kind of an errant move above these swing highs, if you will, trying to get up to the early year highs in January and late January. So as for the market right now, we're going to hold neutral. If we get to those new highs, as we mentioned in the last video last week, we were looking at a bearish situation. This was Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, right around here when we had mentioned this was kind of an errant move above 2850, that we're going to be looking at a bearish exposure. We actually didn't go bearish on the OMT, although we did get a nice correction, a corrective move on the short term. For now, the market still seems pretty strong, particularly if you look at the the small cap and mid cap markets. In fact, here we have the Russell looking pretty strong. The mid cap still pretty strong. Not really as strong as the S&Ps, but actually we're in kind of a downtrend. So arguably we could really go bearish on this retracement. We've got this nice little channel downtrend, but if we go out and look at the dailies, I mean, we're right in this horizontal measure. Look at the boost, getting another beautiful entry today. Buying at 1992 for a quick $1,000 per contract. In fact, we can look at the current open exposure. S&P System 1.0 just closed out a beautiful green dot winner. Unfortunately, got into another loser, but right here we have the crypto sitting on a $1,000 gain. Boost, and there's that $930 gain just this morning, went long at 1992. Mace went long the other day, sitting on a nice little $260 gain, and AI 2 buys sitting at 712.50. But here's the S&P System 1.0 closing at a beautiful buying near the lows, selling near the highs. Unfortunately, got trapped, got caught in this long position, but we'll see where it all comes at. Obviously, you have a green dot on the S&P System 1.0, green dot on the AI 2 buy, or that's the AI. So they add 2 buy, another green dot. Green dot obviously means a new equity high. HW sitting at a green dot. Mace sitting at a green dot. Select. I mean, it's just beautiful. So these are our methodologies that have been the reason you can continue to get green dots is when you have something that's been tried and true for about anywhere from 10 to 15 years. So let's go ahead and look at the boost, also a green dot, of course sitting on another unrealized gain currently. Doubler, as usual, green dot. Look at that beautiful move higher in the market. Very interesting. Marty not doing as well. Recently had a green dot, but retracing a little bit. But that's where you want to do. That's where you want to get involved. You want to get involved right here in this retracement so that you can catch the whole of the move. And as far as the, haven't had too many trades in the MADSC or the MADSC DT. But here we have the performance C's of the DSC DT up, let's see, net of fees, gross gain 90%, net of fees 70% for the MADSC DT, and MADSC sitting on gross gain of 77% over the last several months, net gain 67% for the, and there of course is the equity curves for the MADSC and MADSC-DT. But for right now, we're just going to hold neutral. We are still neutral from 2800. Going to kind of see how this market shakes out. Obviously, you have the aforementioned Russell in this channel, and the S&P mid-cap, 400 mid-cap, also in this horizontal channel. So if we get a breakout and a retracement, we'll look at going back to bullish. But right now we're just in neutrality and enjoying the gains that our systems are making. So if you have any interest in trading these systems or a portfolio of any of these systems, you can go to the website and chat with the support team and pull that up. And right now, if you're interested in, let's say, the platinum, which is pretty much everything, it's 2,497 a quarter. Pretty much everything we offer. You can take a look at the statistics. You can go ahead and add that to the cart and enter promo code 25 off. There you go. 25 off, and calculate that. Pretty much 25% off, just about. Okay, that's not on the platinum, sorry. Just took you through that whole thing and wasn't even applicable to the platinum. But let's say you're interested in the DSCDT, add to cart. I believe we've already got 25 off in there. Nope. 25 off. Now we can apply and we can take that off, but you're going to get, I believe that just took 25 off the platinum, if I'm not mistaken. So that actually does work. Not sure if that technical error there. But hope you enjoyed this quick look at the markets and a quick update on the MiniAnalyst.com portfolios. As you can see, as mentioned, we have currently about $1,500 in gains. Not too bad with this errant $1,200 loss, but still putting up profits in this market neutrality. So if you guys have any questions, go to the website, chat with support team live, shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. Hope you guys are having a great trading week, and we will see you next time. Nope. Thanks, though.